Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I have yet another quick, easy, simple chicken recipe for you. This is perfect to make when you do not have much time to prepare. I have taken here one chicken breast, which is about 620 grams, and I will just cut it into long strips, but not very thick. And this chicken recipe is very versatile. You can have it as a side dish with lunch or dinner, or also you can have it, just stuff it into your bread or chapati and take it for your tiffin. Perfect for children during their extra classes. So take this chicken and cut it into strips as I'm showing it to you here. And friends, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, then please do like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies for more interesting and exciting recipes that I upload. Once the chicken is cut, I had already washed the chicken before cutting, so I need not wash it again. Now season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Nicely massaging it both together so that it gets well marinated. Set this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Until then, let's prepare the other ingredients. I have here 2 large onions which I will cut in length. Cut 2 tomatoes as well in length. I prefer to de-seed the tomatoes, that is personal preference. Cut the tomatoes and keep aside, and let's cut the bell peppers that I have here. I have taken here colored bell peppers, but that's again a personal choice. You may just use the green ones. I'm just using the colored ones to make the dish more attractive to my children. Cut the peppers as well in length and keep aside. Now here I have about 7 chilies. These are medium spice chilies. The chilies is personal preference, but since this is a chili fry and it will surely have a lot of chilies. Cut the chilies fine and keep them ready. Now here I have my onions, tomatoes, all ingredients cut. Into your pan goes about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add to it cut chilies and a few fine cut pieces of ginger. Ginger is totally optional. I have just added it here to flavor the oil. Now add in your marinated pieces of chicken and saute for about 2 minutes, stirring. In about 3 to 4 minutes, the chicken is halfway cooked. Once the chicken is halfway cooked, transfer it into a bowl and keep aside. Here the chicken is 50% cooked. Now I will transfer it and keep it aside. This I am doing so as the chicken doesn't get overcooked as I cook my veggies. And if you overcook the chicken breast, it turns chewy. Add another tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Roast it a few seconds and add the remaining green chilies. Saute for a few seconds. Now add in your cut onions and saute it for about 1 minute. I do not want here my onion to turn translucent. I want the onion only to get slightly change color. Here I want the crunch of the onion to remain. Now, as you see, the onions have slightly turned soft. Now add your tomatoes. Saute together for another minute till tomatoes slightly become soft. Now these days, since the tomatoes are very expensive and you do not want to add tomato, you can use kokum petals as a substitute. Now tomato here is used just as a souring agent, so you can substitute it with kokum petals. Now add your peppers, give a nice good mix and saute them for about a minute and a half till they become slightly soft. Isn't this looking very attractive already? Now to this, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, or you can just pound a few peppers and add it. This pepper gives a wonderful flavor to your chili fry. Give a nice good mix. Peppers have started to become little soft. At this stage, I am adding here 1 tablespoon of chili paste. Add a little salt to taste. If you do not have chili paste, you may add a spicy chili here. Since it is chili fry, it should be little on the spicy side. That's my preference. You may decide what you like the best. Add your chicken. Give it a nice good mix so that everything gets well incorporated. You can see that the veggies have started to release a lot of moisture. Now at this stage, add a handful of chopped coriander. Mix it well. Now cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes on medium flame. After about 2 minutes, here my chili fry is ready. Give it a mix, turn off the flame and let it rest for at least 5 minutes so that the flavors settle down. And here my delicious, quick, easy chicken chili fry is ready to be relished. Do try this recipe and enjoy with your family and friends. And don't forget to write your feedback in my comment section how you like the recipe. Keep watching Melita's Delicacies for more quick, easy, simple recipes that I upload. Thank you for watching. See you next week with yet another simple yet delicious Goan recipe. Until then, keep safe, be blessed.